Hello everybody, it's Niklas and welcome to this new video. And in this new video we are going to see two free software that you can use to create animation, to create 2D animation and to create 2D animation with drawing. So what are the best software that you can use if you want to create 2D animation with drawing? And this is what we are going to see in this video. Subscribe to this YouTube channels if you like the content, and the first software is Pencil 2D. So we are in this website Pencil 2D. It is a perfect easy and intuitive tool that you can use to create 2D animation, 2D and draw animation, because you have different softwares that you can use for free to create 2D animation, but here we focus on what? We focus on drawing animation, drawing animation. So Pencil 2D, you can go directly in this software. You will have different type of information about the software, and if you want to download, you can just click on download here and you will have the different information that you can use, and you will find, for example, the last stable version. It is pretty interesting because generally the software is also updating, so generally it's pretty good and you have access to different features. We are going to see the interface of Pencil 2D. What we can see on this interface, you can see totally on the top you will have different information about the view, the animation, the tools and the layers. And totally on the top left corner you can have the toolbar. So you have different tools of conception. You can use, for example, a pen, you can use pencils, and you can work to create with the Enjo in a fast way a drawing. You can also add images if you need. You can work with onion skins. Totally on the right you will be able to define different type of color. You have a color box, a color inspector and a color palette as well. And totally on the bottom you can find the timeline. On this timeline is pretty convenient. You can work with different layers, and after that you can work on frames and keyframe. What does it mean? You can set the time of your timeline and you can play with the duration, the number of frames per second, and you have the possibility to add different type of keyframes. So whether you can import an image and dragging and moving this image, or you can just create a drawing, you can add another keyframes and you can create another drawing on these different keyframes, on the different keyframes as well. So definitely it's a very convenient tool that you can use if you want to work with and drawing. So the interface is not extremely complex. It's pretty simple. Here, for example, in this animation, I was animating a caterpillar. Just create, import an image, draw on this image to create the caterpillar, and after just to create this simple animation. The second software that we can use, it is Animation Paper. Generally, Pencil 2D is more famous. We don't know too much Animation Paper, but it is an extremely convenient software that you can use. We're on the website here as well, and when I just continue here, you can find some information: powerful, robust, fast and efficient, easy and convenient, and you can have access for this for free. So one more time, with Pencil 2D it is free, and this one is free as well. If you want to download the software, you can just go on the website, you can just go on the download here, and you will have the possibility to download for different type of platform, not only for Windows. You can download also on the different platforms. So it means this one, and this one. You don't need a lot of memory and a lot of power on your computer. It's going to work. So now let's take a look about the interface one more time, because it is just an enjoying animation, not too many tools, not too many toolbars. You have different options on the top: edit, draw, plane. You have also table mode. You can also pick up the drawing and make modification on the drawing. You can draw with a pen, with a pencil. You can also erase. And what is the M? The M, you can define the layers. On these layers, you can create a drawing. Then this drawing, you can, for example, duplicate and make transformation, or you can just add a new drawing and create another drawing. And after that, the most you add drawing and the longer you will have animation. You can also add blank drawing. You can also duplicate drawing, and it's pretty convenient. You have all the system. It's different of Pencil 2D. It didn't work in the same way for the timeline, but it's definitely pretty convenient. And here in this example, I was drawing just face, and after to drawing just this face, I was creating different modification to create 4 different positions. And after that, I can create a small animation using this one. So it is just an example. So one more time, the interface, it's pretty simple, so not many tools, because it is just an hand drawing. It is not a 2D animation drawing, it is just a 2D animation and drawing. Pretty convenient to use. If you want to learn this software, 2 complete courses, first link on the description, Pencil 2D, the complete course is available. So if you want to learn this software from scratch, it is first link on the description, Pencil 2D, the complete course. So you will find on this page a video of introduction. You will find information about the course. In this course, we have this number of lessons and the number of video content. You can see also what you will be able to learn in models and sessions. For example, master the different tools, work with guide, manage colors. You can click on show more and see all the content of the course to master Pencil 2D software. So this is what you will be able to learn in this first link on the description. And second link on the description, it is a complete course animation paper. So this second software, very great software, free software to create and draw drawing. One more time, a video of animation paper, the complete course. You will be able to see the description about this course, number of lessons, hours of video content. Here you will see the model, session of the course, master drawing tools, eraser tools, images, and you can click on show more to see all the content of the course. And at the end description also of the software. So first thing on the description, Pencil 2D, and second thing on the description, animation paper, complete course. So that's it, 2 great softwares that you can use if you want to focus with free animation software for hand draw. For next video, see you. Ciao, ciao.